Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a straight edge on a chevron. So I've had a few people request a video for this, so I thought I would share what I did to make my chevron blanket a little bit more straight on the top and the bottom, so you can add a border if you so choose. So this is my modern chevron pattern, and I just made a small swatch of it. So if you are interested in checking out that video, I will leave it in the description box below. And again, it's the modern chevron blanket. So I'm going to show you how to make a straight edge for the top of this swatch as well as for the bottom, so it forms a nice square. So in order to make the chevron, I just made a small swatch like I said. So once you are finished with your swatch or your blanket or your scarf or anything that you are making with the chevron stitch, we can move on to the straight edge portion. So for the straight edge portion, for the top, all you're going to do is you're going to chain up one and turn. And that chain one is going to count as your first slip stitch. So then after that, what you're going to do is in the stitch after that, you're going to make a single crochet. In the next 3 stitches, you're going to make a half double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Now when you've reached the section where you have those 2 double crochets together, you're going to make 1 double crochet in those 2 stitches. So 1 and 2. Now you have to work back up from the valley up to the peak, so you're going to make 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, and 3. And the stitch after that, you're going to make a single crochet. And now you've reached the top of your peak, so in the next 2 stitches you're going to make a slip stitch. And then you're basically going to repeat the pattern all the way across your project. So for the next stitch you're going to make a single crochet. In the next 3 stitches, you're going to make 1 half double crochet. In the next 2 stitches, which is the double crochet 2 together, you're going to make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. In the next 3 stitches, you're going to make 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. In the next 2 stitches, you're going to make a slip stitch. And again, you're going to repeat that across your entire project. So again, single crochet into the next, 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. One double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, one single crochet in that last stitch, and then when you get to that chain 3, in the top of that chain 3, you're simply just going to make a slip stitch. And then we will go ahead and fasten off. So now you have your straight edge for the top of your chevron, just like that. So now when you work the bottom is pretty much going to be the same. So you just want to get your yarn and you want to find that bottommost stitch, which is going to be right here. So you're just going to insert your hook into that most bottom stitch, and you're going to draw up a loop, and you're going to chain 2. And this chain 2 is going to count as your first double crochet, and you're just going to work across the bottom of your blanket or your swatch or project, whatever you are making. So what you're going to do is in the next 3 stitches you're going to make 1 half double crochet, and again that chain 2 is going to count as your first double crochet. So you're going to make 1 half double crochet in each of the next stitches. After that you're going to make a single crochet, and then you've reached the top of your stitches, so you're going to make 1 slip stitch in the next 2 stitches, and then you're going to repeat basically what you did for the top. So in the next stitch you're going to make a single crochet, in the next 3 stitches after that 1 half double crochet, and then in the next 2 stitches you're going to make 1 double crochet, in the next 3 stitches you're going to make 1 half double crochet, in the stitch after that 1 single crochet, and then you're at the top of your peak again. So in the next 2 stitches make 1 slip stitch, and then repeat from the beginning. So 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, one double crochet in the next 2 stitches, one half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, one single crochet in the next stitch, 1 slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Okay, and then when you get to the end, you should have 1 stitch remaining, and that should be a double crochet. And then you would just fasten off, and then that is the bottom of your chevron. So I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to make the straight edge on the top and bottom of your chevron project. I hope you found this very helpful and use it for your next chevron project, especially if you want that straight edge to your project. So thank you so much for joining me today on how to make the chevron straight edge, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me, and as always, happy crocheting! Bye!